Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. This is a twin flame summit reading for those who are in communication, even if it's just a little bit, and they will be coming into union. That is the energy I channel. So if you're not sure if this reading is for you, I do have another playlist for those that are in separation and no communication. So you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. Please remember, it's not gender specific, it's timeless, and it is only Gemini energy, whether or not you are cross watching. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. My details are below. My December specials are out on Facebook and Instagram. You can get them there. I'm doing big specials, so don't miss out. And please like, share, and subscribe for me. Hit that subscribe button and help me get to 1,000 subscribers so I can improve my channel for you. I would really appreciate your support on that. And thank you so much for those that are supporting me and doing a lot of private work with me. Um, Thank you for putting your trust and faith in my guidance and help. And yes, let's see what's going on, Gemini. What is going on, Gemini? Always an interesting reading for Gemini. My moon is Gemini. So, all right, I'm doing recent, past, present, and immediate future, and I'm doing a message for this reading. Immediate past, Gemini, what came out for you. This is a very specific storyline, so it's not going to resonate with everybody, okay? So just if it's not your story, just don't make it your story. First card that came out was the reversed Six of Cups. And Six of Cups is a reconciliation card. It's someone from your past returning to offer their love. It's feeling nostalgic or having beautiful memories from the past. It could be any of those kind of energies. But what I pick up from the energies with this card in reverse here is you in the recent past, you fully let go of the past. I feel you, Gemini. You stopped feeling nostalgic about your twin flame or soulmate that you were in separation with. You stopped longing for them, stopped having beautiful memories about the good times you shared. You weren't feeling nostalgic anymore. I feel like this was an end within all of yourself, mentally, emotionally. You completely let go of this twin flame or soulmate and any kind of a hope for reconciliation. I do feel you didn't even want it anymore. You didn't even want to reconcile with this person from the past. You fully let them go completely. And I feel like you started calling in a twin flame or a soulmate, the real twin flame, or the soulmate that is actually going to be spending their lives with you, one that is going to give you what you deserve and everything that you desire. You may have used different types of techniques, spells, rituals, prayers, affirmations, visualizations, whatever. But you started calling in the true twin flame or a different soulmate. Yeah, this is what I feel. So you fully let go of the person from the past, didn't even think about them anymore, didn't even have those memories, not the good ones, not the bad ones. You weren't feeling nostalgic. I feel it was like really fully, completely releasing the past, yeah. And you started working on calling in someone new. This is what I feel. You started this calling in someone new in the recent past after you fully let go of the twin flame or soulmate from the past. In the present moment, you are definitely working on solid foundations here. Three of Pentacles is about building solid foundations, building something of value, something stable, working together. It's also working on creating that inner harmony, the balance between mind, body, and spirit. It's building a masterpiece. It's all of those kind of energies to move yourself forward here. And it could be, I do pick up for many of you, this is you working on your own financial stability and abundance, yeah, building solid foundations for yourself in regards to your own independence and stability financially. Um, and you are doing so while you are patiently just patiently calling in a twin flame or soulmate that is actually going to match your energy and give you the things that you deserve. And as I said, there you are, building that solid foundations for yourself financially. You may have started a new business, took a promotion, or just putting all your energy into your finances and career, following through on some ideas, maybe. But there's a lot of abundance that you are busy building and creating for yourself in the present moment regards to finances. Okay, so you are at this moment very focused on building your own life and your own financial abundance, um, and whatever it is that you want to create in the physical for yourself. All right, while you are waiting for this union without to come into play, come into manifestation. So you are working on this union within yourself and working on things within your life. And as you are doing so, you are calling in a vibrational match, a soulmate or twin flame that's going to be a vibrational match for you. All right, so I do not see, I do. You are focused on yourself here, Gemini, most definitely. You are not focusing here on love that much, but I do feel someone did come in. Someone new did come in, not the person from the past. As you release the person from the past and started calling in a new soulmate or twin flame, I do feel someone did come in. There is someone new did come into the picture, but you are at this present moment not focusing on that. You are focusing on yourself and creating that union within yourself. I do feel something here with a new person. I do not have the cards to tell me that, but I pick up on the energies. I channel the energies, and I only draw that many cards. So I'm going to give you what I pick up and what I get from the energy as well, even if the cards doesn't show it to me. I do feel the twin flame or soulmate that did come in here. There was something about it was off. There might have been a third party involved here with the number 3. But there was something here. And you shifted your energies away from them completely as well and just started focusing on yourself here, Gemini. This is what I feel. And in the immediate future, I've got the Queen of Cups in reversed. Now, Queen of Cups is very stable in her emotions, even though she leads from her heart. She's very loving. She gives and receives love in equal measures. She holds the divine cup of love. She's the very place of transformation. She's a mother. She's wise. She's spiritual. Beautiful, beautiful queen. Having this card in reversed, I pick up on you closing off your heart here, Gemini. I don't feel you are overly emotional here. I almost want to say you are emotionless, closing off your heart. As I said, I did pick up on someone that did come in here between your recent past and present. Someone new did come in, but you closed off your heart, or you closing off your heart here to them in the immediate future. You are coming across distant and emotionless here. They may offer you something, a commitment, yeah, in the immediate future with a honeymoon card. Because the Queen of Cups in reversed do not want a honeymoon. She doesn't want that commitment. She's closing off her heart to a commitment here. So in the immediate future, the new person, there's something with a third party here. They may not necessarily have put you in a third party situation, but I feel like they may have just gone through a breakup with someone else, and they were still healing, or they are still in a healing process from that, and you kind of turned your back on that. You didn't want to get involved emotionally because of it. And I do feel they are in the immediate future, and this is coming very soon. They are going to come forward and offer you love here, and offer you a long-term commitment maybe, but I feel you're going to be close. You're going to have your heart closed. You're going to have your heart closed off, and maybe not accept their offer over here, Gemini, for some reason. You might feel they're not ready. You might feel they're not ready, or you're not ready to put your heart at risk here for someone that is still going through a healing process. You might be pulling back your energies for them to go through a healing process, but not getting involved here. I do feel you're going to reject their offer, Gemini, or at least have your heart closed off, or be very guarded when they come forward and offer you something. Yeah. I don't see anybody from the past. Yeah, this is a new person. Okay, this is a new person. Yeah, Gemini. All right, I'm gonna leave it there. For some of you, you might be closing off your heart because you want a commitment, and this person is not ready to give you a commitment, but this is not what I feel. In the immediate future, I do feel they're going to offer a commitment, but you're not going to open up your heart to it. Not immediately. Not immediately. Here's your message from Spirit. It's the Nine of Pentacles. And the Nine of Pentacles, yes, is single, independent, working on your own abundance, creating a lot of stability within yourself, being content with everything in your life. It's also, number 9 is a completion number. So you are finishing off some cycle here, Gemini. And Spirit here is saying to you, you know what? You might be single at this stage, and but it is very important for you to work on your own independence and be content with everything that you have in your life, so that you can obviously attract someone that is on that same energy level as you, to give you that same to give you the sign that you can put in. Yeah. Okay, so I do not I feel Spirit is saying to you, you know what, this is where you're supposed to be right now. You are supposed to be focusing on yourself right now. So what you are doing here, focusing on yourself and not putting your attention into love, is what you're supposed to be doing, because this is going to bring healing to the situation that you've had in the past. It's going to change. It's going to change what you are going to attract towards you in the form of a partner. And Spirit is saying to you, healing energy is surrounding your situation right now. So with this person here, healing is surrounding your situation, Spirit is saying as well. So yeah, it's all you can do right now is just focus on yourself. Yeah, put all your attention into yourself, and you are doing the right thing, not opening up your heart immediately to this person. I keep hearing you want a partner, you don't want a project, Gemini, and this is what I'm getting for you. Okay, so you are withdrawing from this person emotionally, because you exactly that. You want a partner, you don't want a project. So it's not that things are not going to be working out for you with this person. It's just not the right timing. It's just not the right timing. But Spirit is saying, you know what, just keep going. do what you have to do, work on yourself, and healing is surrounding your situation. So I do believe that this love is actually going to take form and work out for you. But your reading is getting long, Gemini. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. And please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and get my specials on Facebook and Instagram for December. They are out. My links are below. And please like, share, and subscribe for me. Hit that subscribe button right over here at the bottom of the video somewhere. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers so I can improve my channel for you. And thank you very much for everybody's support. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Gemini.